All right, let's dive in. We're looking at this digital tool for generating COSH forms in dental practices.
Yeah, it's designed to tackle that specific task.
Meant to save time, right?
Yeah.
No more manual typing from safety sheets apparently improves accuracy.
Because it pulls directly from the SDS.
Yes.
Yeah. And streamlines things for, CQC checks, keeps records tidy.
Okay, so let's walk through it like we're using it.
Yeah.
First things first, how do you get access?
Right. You need to go to the website. It's dentistrydashboard.com.
Dentistrydashboard.com. Okay,
And if it's your first time there, look for the register button.
register. Makes sense?
You can sign up using your Google account, which is usually, the fastest way.
Uh-huh.
Or you can just use your email address. If you do that, you'll need to click a verification link they send you. Standard process.
And what if you've already got an account?
Then easy. Just hit login on that same page.
Mm-hmm.
Use your email and password. Or, again, the Google sign-in, if that's how you set it up.
Okay, so I'm logged in now. I'm looking at the dashboard. Where's this generator tool?
Look at the main menu. Usually on the side or top, you should see a link that clearly says COHH AI Generator.
Ah, okay. COSHH AI Generator. Click that.
Yep, click that. That takes you right into the tool.
And you mentioned it's in beta. Does that mean I need to pay?
No, not right now. While it's in beta, any registered user can access it. No paid subscription needed just to use this specific generator.
Great, so anyone can try it out. Perfect.
Yep.
Okay, I'm in the generator area. What do I need to actually start creating a form?
The absolute essential thing is the safety data sheet, the
Yeah.
SDS, for whatever product you're assessing.
Right, the manufacturer's sheet.
Exactly. And crucially, for this tool, you need it as a PDF file. It has to be a PDF.
Got it. PDF of the SDS ready to go. What next inside the tool?
You'll see an obvious place to upload it, probably a button saying Upload SDS, or maybe a drag and drop area.
Okay, click that. Find the file on my computer. Upload. Simple enough.
Yeah, pretty straightforward upload. But before you hit Generate, there are a few details you need to put in yourself.
Things the AI can't know.
Correct. You'll need to type in your practice name
Okay.
and the assessor name, so whoever is doing the assessment, probably you,
Right.
and then selects the assessment date. There's usually a little calendar picker for that. These bits are essential for the form.
Okay. Practice name, assessor name, date. What about these optional settings I see?
Ah, yeah, good spot. So under optional settings, you can tell the tool to leave out certain standard sections if you don't need them.
Like what sort of sections?
Things like maybe disposal considerations or health surveillance. If they aren't relevant for this particular assessment, you just type the section titles in there, separated by commas.
So you can tailor it a bit.
Exactly. It just tidies up the final form if those parts aren't needed. Totally optional, though.
Okay, so SDS uploaded, my details are in, maybe I've excluded a section or two. Now I hit the big generate button.
That's the one. Click Generate.
And then I wait a bit.
Yeah, give it a moment. The AI is reading that PDF, pulling out the information. It usually takes around, say, 30 to 40 seconds.
Okay, 30, 40 seconds.
Mhm.
And then bang, the completed COSH form.
Well, hold on. What you get is a draft. This is super important. It's not finished.
Oh, okay, a draft.
Yes, you absolutely must review and edit it. Every single field can be edited. The AI gives you a starting point based on the SDS, but your practice context is key.
Right, because the SDS is generic, but how we use it isn't.
Precisely. So things you'll definitely need to check and likely change.
Go on.
Location of use. The AI has no idea where in the practice you use this stuff. Is it surgery 1, the deacon room? You have to specify that.
Makes sense?
That task description. The SDS might have a general use, but you need to describe exactly how you use it in your practice. What's the specific task?
Okay, location test.
Yeah.
What about mounts and things?
Right. Frequency, duration, quantity. How often do you do the task? How long does it take? How much of the substance do you use? That info isn't in the SDS. You have to add it manually.
Right, that's all specific to our workflow.
Exactly. And PPE, personal protective equipment. The AI will suggest stuff based on the SDS, but you need to check that against your own practice risk assessment and policies. Maybe you require more PPE or something slightly different based on how you work. Don't just accept the suggestion blindly.
Okay, critical review needed there. And it gives a risk score, too.
It does, yeah. It'll give you an initial score based on the hazard data in a standard matrix. But again...
My job as the assessor to confirm that.
Absolutely. You look at the hazards, the exposure potential you've just detailed, the controls in place, your PPE, and you use your professional judgment to decide if that score is right or if it needs changing. The final score is your responsibility.
Okay, so upload, generate, review, edit heavily, confirm risk. Then what about saving it? Does it save automatically?
Yes, it does. As you work on it, even if you only fill out part of it, it gets saved automatically.
Where do they go?
They appear in a list, usually down the left-hand side of the screen, right there in the COHH Form Generator section. They're tied to your account and the practice name you entered.
So I can just click on one in the list to open it back up?
Yep, just click the name or title in the list, and it'll load the saved form.